wasn't what I wanted to do. View terminal. Trade. Okay, so you can see here I've got one trade on. I bought one. And over here, you see how it says profit is minus 30? Okay, now I know that's a regular lot. So if I want to trade a mini lot, then let's go back to trade. Okay. And we'll do new order. If I want to trade one mini lot, you see I've got to go down to 0.1. Now I'll go ahead and buy that. Accepted, process, successful. Okay. So we'll scroll back over. Now you see it's $3. Okay, so that you can see is a mini lot. So the key is to look at the size. Okay, if you have a 1 in this column and a $30 profit with the spread, then you know that you're trading regulars. If you have a 0.1 and a $3 over here, then you know it's mini lots. And again, this is all stuff that, especially before you trade, you have absolutely got to know. Go ahead and close these out. Otherwise, it'll drive me nuts, even though this is my demo. Close, close. Process. Okay. All right. So you just make sure you understand that ahead of time. But the easiest way to tell is based on the dollar amount. And as with all things, if you're unsure, call your broker and talk to him. And Wayne's asking about getting some testimonials. He said, I've received an invite to the Insider Code. Is it possible to speak to someone about the service? I'm interested in learning about members that are using this system to trade and the typical results they're seeing. What I'm going to do, Wayne, is I'll send out an email to everybody and let them, in their own words, describe their feelings, their results, and things like that. And I'll do that over the next couple of days. Can you please show me how I make vertical and horizontal lines thicker and change the colors on the Fibonacci? That's all on disc number 2, so please review disc number 2 for that. Dear Mac, I find your instructions and resources an incredible value. I'm thrilled to hear that. Absolutely thrilled to hear that. I've made over $1,500 profits with a demo account, now ready to open a live account. First question is regarding the compounding examples from your kit. You illustrate how one's income can increase as the account grows, which I fully understand, but you also mentioned in one of your Q&As that you only keep the minimum amount for executing trades to protect yourself from unregulated brokerage accounts. How then do you safely manage to compound earnings in such circumstances? Let's say I've got $100,000 that I'm willing to trade with, but I'm worried about my broker. Well, I'll keep the $100,000 in the bank. Let me rephrase that. If I have $100,000 that I'm willing to trade with, okay, I will take $90,000 and keep that in the bank, but then I will take $10,000 and put that in my brokerage account. But then I will trade the $10,000 as if there were $100,000 in the account. Okay, that completely changes the leverage and everything else. Now, on the surface, if I were just trading $10,000, we'd have a problem. But because I've got the $100,000 in back of it, it makes all the difference in the world. Okay, that way I don't have to have the money actually in the account. I can simply leverage myself with the available cash. Hi, Mac, just finished your survey. Man, who said 8 minutes is all it would take? I'm sorry about that. Not if you want to give some consideration given to your answers. I hope you get some insight. I did. Thank you very much. As I've said before, your course, which I've had for about 3 weeks, is well done and considerate. You should be proud. I don't know if I'm cut out for day trading currencies in the early morning hours or not. I'm not, Rick. I'm right there with you. I prefer to trade in the evening time.